everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl, in case you don't recognize me. So this is mainly a crochet channel, but Olivia from iMethod Beauty contacted me and asked me if I would try this eyebrow stamp and eyebrow stencil kit. So I said I would. Alright, so a little information before I show you what's in here. They have a store located on Amazon. Here, I'll show that to you again. Located on Amazon. And I'll put the link below. The link is going to take you to all the information about this. Let me just say there are 10 different colors. I'm just reading my notes. 10 different colors, and this one is reddish brown. And Olivia picked it out for me and sent it to me, no charge. It's vegan friendly, they do not test on animals, and it's $16.97. Now I don't know if that's US or Canadian prices, and they do have videos on Amazon that show how to apply this, and there's also instructions inside the box. So that link that I'm going to put below will take you to all the information. But let's see what is in the box. Before we do that, can I ask you a question? How many of you draw on your eyebrows? I normally do. Today I didn't because I'm going to try this product out. But if I don't draw on my eyebrows, and that's the only makeup I wear now, I look like a seal. Seals are cute, but I'm not a seal. So yeah, I'm going to be trying this product for the very first time right in front of you guys, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. This paper came with it. It says iMethod eyebrow stamp and eyebrow stencil kit, eyebrow stamp and shaping kit for perfect brow, 20 eyebrow stamp stencil. All right, so this is the box. Eyebrow stamp and eyebrow stencil kit. Just stamp perfect brow in seconds. iMethod Beauty. Okay, they're on Instagram, and there's a customer service there. Oh, they're on YouTube. That's it there. Ingredients. Oh, I'm not pronouncing those because I can't. All right. Manufactured by Kaya Cosmetics Company Limited. All right. Oh, color number 07. Expiry date on it of December 26, 2023. Not tested on animals. Awesome. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Okay, static in my house. Goodness, I can't get that off my hand. There we go. Okay, so we have this tube. It says 07. Your beauty start. Okay. Your beauty start from eyebrow stamp. Sorry, my phone's acting up here. Okay. That I'm recording on. All right, now this one says iMethod Beauty, follow us. You're the best, dear customer. Thank you very much for choosing iMethod Beauty. If you're not completely satisfied with an iMethod Beauty product for any reasons, please contact us via email, Instagram, or Facebook to ask for a refund or a replacement. No questions asked for full refund and no return needed. Save time. Okay, well, this was a gift from them for me to try out. Here's a little tool. There's a little brush on that end. And that applicator on that end. Okay. I guess this is the directions. Okay. I'm not going to really read all this. But no, that's just some information on the stamps. Okay. All right, so we have these gadgets here. Okay. Oh, there's a lot in here. It says magical eyebrow style makeup line for natural style. And then you pop this out. Okay, so let's see, number 12. So there's okay. Different styles, I guess they are, yes. So there's style 12, excuse me, 24, 11, all these are different styles of eyebrow shapes. Okay, now this is the last thing in the box. Okay, it says these were kind of plasticky. These are more like a rubber. It says eyebrow tail. I don't know if you can see that properly. Okay, eyebrow tail, brow ridge, brows. This is classic. This is nobility. I guess these are the different types. So there's a stamp and there's a stencil kit. So one of these is stamped, so I assume these are the stencil. And these are the stamps. These come out of there too. These little pieces look like they come out. Okay. So that's what we have in this kit. Let me open this one. Oh, interesting. It looks like a foam. So yeah, looks like a foam. All right, so that's what's in the kit. Honestly don't know why. Like these are the stencils. These are also stencils. Like these are like plasticky. Those are rubberized. I don't know what the reason is for each of these. These have numbers. Like this one says number 13, but there's no numbers here because I don't know. I just don't know. Honestly, I don't know. So anyway, I don't know why they have these different ones. But like I said, this is the first time I'm trying, so I'm kind of learning with you guys. So this one is called Queen. And it says eyebrow tail right here. Can you see that? Okay, eyebrow tail, that would be that. Brow ridge. And it just says brow. So this is the one I'm going to try. So I'm going to, I don't know, do I pop this out of there? Yeah, this takes a little bit to pop it out. Okay, so this will be my stencil. So I'm going to be trying this on the left eye. above the left eye. And this is the color. It's actually inside there. So every time you put this in, it's gonna, you know, spring loaded, and you get your color on here. All right, so let's turn the camera around and see what happens. All right, now I'm going to use you guys as a mirror. Look at that. Do I ever look tired? Anyway, all right, so let's see. Took my specs off, so I won't be able to see. Oh my goodness. I don't know where to put this, but I guess we're not going to know until we try. You know, it'd be kind of nice if this would just stick to my face. I don't know, but we'll see. If you guys want to go ahead and laugh, that's okay with me. How am I supposed to hold it on there? I think that's my real eyebrow. Don't know. I need my specs. I need them. So. Okay, I'm going to do the other one off camera. Be right back. Okay, remember, this is the first time I'm trying this. Now, these seem, I don't know if I didn't press hard enough, although I don't really like my eyebrows to be dark, but sometimes those pencils you draw on end up being too dark. I think I have one lower than the other. I don't know. What am I supposed to do with this? Did I just smudge it? I can't see properly here. There, are they even now? Okay, so that's me trying them out for the first time. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm helping you, Olivia, or not, but you know, this is just straight up honest channel, so. All right, so that's how they turned out on me. I put this one too low, I believe. I don't think this one looks too bad. You know, I would need more practice. Yeah, sorry guys, but I would need more practice, but I don't know, it's okay. That's my opinion. It's okay. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be working on another video, and that one's going to be crochet.